Hey there, my name is Tobin, and I'm a Kaseya consultant at Profile Technologies. In this video, we'll be discussing the days from release override that can be used to allow a deployment profile to be set to review, allowing you to have a delay in patch approval without having to manually approve. If you wish to have your patches auto-approve, but also want to have a delay in that approval, the override option days from release is what you're looking for. This override option allows you to set a number for the age of patches, and once a patch reaches that age, it will be approved. Let's find this option by going to Software Management, Override, and let's select New. Let's give it a name. Let's call it 14-day approval. And let's select our options. In the field dropdown, we're going to select days from release. In the operator, we're going to select greater than. In the value, we're going to put 14. Approval status, we will do approve. And then in the override notes, I'm going to put 14-day auto approve. Let's select save. And now we have our days from release greater than 14 days approve. So now you have your override, but it still needs to be applied. And this can be done in one of two ways. The first way is if you're manually applying these scan profiles and deployment profiles, you can go to Machines, select the machine that you wish to apply, select Assign Profile, and then grab the profile that you're looking to assign and select Assign. Do note that when you do assign a profile manually like this, you do need to select a scan and analysis profile or you will not be able to save this. The second way is going to be through policy. So if you are using a policy to apply your scan and deployment profiles, you can add a policy object for that. So let's go to Policy Management, Policies, and let's open up our override policy. Here you can see that there is an object called Software Management Override Profiles. Down here, there's a section that says Assign Override Profiles. You can select the profile, put it into the right side, and select Save. And that's how you assign it. Thanks for watching our video. We post new videos weekly to share our knowledge of VSA, Automate, and other RMMs. Let us know if there's a topic that you'd like us to cover. Have a great day.